In this video, I'll show you how to change screen display colors on Android, natural or adaptive. Begin first by opening up your Android settings app. My Android settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for Display and Touch and tap on it. In Display and Touch, scroll down until you see the subheading color. In here, look for colors and tap on it. You really have only two options to select from. Currently on my device, it's set to adaptive. I'm going to change it to natural by tapping on it. Now you can't see any changes on this video because it's a screen recording. However, on your actual device, you'll be able to see the difference between natural and adaptive colors. You can refer to this preview picture at the top here. While you're deciding between natural and adaptive, you can click on this arrow to see other landscape pictures and how they compare in a natural or adaptive color environment. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to change screen display colors on Android, natural or adaptive. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let